Now, this is the merchant panel, and this is what the restaurant owners are going to see. So you can see active orders. So if they have any orders that are currently active and waiting for pickup, they'll show up here. Any past orders they can look up as well. And then also they can accept orders, or they can turn off accepting orders if they need to for some reason, just by toggling this switch. Now, invoices, once they start actually making orders and making money, then all of their invoices and everything else will show up in this tab. And then we also have promotion codes. So they can add promotions. On here, we have a flat $5 off on orders that are $25 and above. We can disable or enable as needed, or we can add new promotions. So you can add either a percentage discount or a flat discount. You can just enter your percentage here or the flat dollar amount here, the max discount value, and then also run it from certain times, and then as well as allowed number of users. So if you only want 50 users to be able to have that discount, then you can put that here. And then you can also allow a single user to use the code multiple times or not. So once you have all that, just hit add promo, and then it'll show up here, and then you can have multiple promos and then enable them and disable them as needed. So verify the profile information, the merchant name, also the address and the phone number. And this is also the section that the restaurant owner will be able to enter their bank details. Now, once we start paying them out, we'll need their banking information so we can go ahead and make that transfer. Currently, we are paying out on Tuesdays once a week. So we'll take all the orders from the previous week up until Monday, and then we'll pay them all out on that following Tuesday. Now, we're currently working on getting each restaurant their own merchant account. Once we have that set up, then we'll be able to pay them daily, and it just takes however long for the bank to send them the information or send them the money. So this is where we need your help to verify the information. So the item list is where the menu is, and this is where we need to verify that everything is correct. Now, in order to navigate around the item list, you can look up by category. So for this, we have delicious donuts, signature breakfast, or the featured omelets and scramblers. So to make it easier, if you're looking for certain items, just use the filter buttons. If you just have it under the straight category, then you're going to be able to see all the menu items. Now, on the screen, we want to make sure that the pricing is correct. So $3.79, $2.49, $99, etc. If these are higher, then we just need to adjust them. In order to make the adjustment, you just simply have to click the edit button, go to the pricing, and then adjust the pricing as needed. Make sure that the names are correct, the description is correct. If there's any customizations, they're all going to be on the right-hand side. So just check to make sure those are correct as well. And then you can also add images on this page. If they're going to add an image, we just please ask that they are professional images or very well taken images. We don't want anything that's blurry or in bad lighting. This is a representation of not only the restaurant, but also for Snapdelivered as well. So once you have all that done, then you should be ready to go. And then the next item is go ahead and change the hours. So this is where you can change the delivery hours. So for instance, we have 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., Sunday through Saturday. If they need to make any changes, or it'll be blank when we first log in, so you're going to need to update this in the beginning. So you can change the hours here. You can just simply change the hours to whatever you want, and then hit save. And then that'll save the information. If it's the same hours across the board, all you have to do is just hit repeat, click all of the days that it's repeating, and then click OK, and that'll change the hours for all the days, so you don't have to do them individually. We also have the financial statements. This is, again, once they start taking orders, then we'll be able to start seeing the financial statements, delivery charges, discounts, commissions, etc. And then finally, we have the feedback. So this is where once the customers start leaving feedback or comments, then they'll show up here, and then they can look at them, deal with them, or respond back to them. And this is everything that we need to figure out on the merchant panel. So once we have the accuracy and the pricing correct, once we have the correct hours, and then also send us a logo, again, whatever logo they want to use on their site, just make sure to send it to us so we can upload it to the system, and then that will get them set up on the merchant panel. Once all of those things are done, let support know at support@snapdelivered.com. We'll go ahead and review it, and once it's reviewed, we'll activate it onto our system. So that concludes our presentation for onboarding a restaurant the right way. if you get stuck or if you have any questions, please reach out to support@snapdelivered.com. Thanks for joining us. And if you have any other questions, let us know. Cheers.